So in this video, you'll learn how to disable TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 or A26. So the TalkBack feature is a feature that simply speaks everything that you do on your phone. So for example, if I want to access the apps drawer, when I swipe up with my two fingers as I navigate through it, you'll notice that if your volume is particularly loud, you can be able to hear
accessibility volume set to 80%. Page 1 of
you can hear that TalkBack feature being had. So if you find the TalkBack hard to navigate through, or you just don't want to have it enabled, then it's fairly simple to turn it off. Just start by navigating to settings. So look for the settings icon and tap on it once to select it. Then double tap again to launch the app. From here, use your two fingers to scroll through the menu until you find accessibility. Then again, tap on it once and then double tap to select it. Go to TalkBack, tap on it once, double tap to select it. And then what you want to do is simply just tap on this toggle here once to select it and then double tap to turn it off. Confirm your choice by selecting turn off. And then once you've done that, you'll notice that TalkBack has been successfully disabled. You can now navigate through your phone the way you normally would when TalkBack was previously disabled. And so that's how you can turn TalkBack off on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.